Hi guys, welcome to How to Sort YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use green screen video effect on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok, then you need to click on the plus icon in the bottom, and then you need to click on effects. And once you are in effect panel, you need to click on the screen, and here you can see that I am easily able to record my video. Let me show you. So this is my video in green screen. So you can see that the background is removed, and now I am able to record my video in this effect. So by following these steps, you can easily record your video in green screen. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.